Hi everyone, so welcome back to my channel today. So I am really excited to share my latest Daiso haul with you. So if you are not familiar, Daiso is just like a Japanese dollar store and most items are around $1.75 unless they mark it up differently. So they have a lot of cute stationery and I just couldn't resist picking up a bunch of stickers, sticky notes, and washi tape. So let's get into all of the stickers that I got. So I separated the stickers into 3 different groups, starting with the shape stickers, and then the decorative stickers, and then the sticky notes and masking tape. So first let's start off with the shape stickers. So I got a bunch of different shape stickers and I think they're just really great for marking your calendar and everything. So these ones are actually transparent and they are perfect for marking important dates in my planner or just adding a little something extra to your pages. So you can use these kind of as highlighters in your monthly calendar or your weekly calendar, and it usually comes with 1 or 2 sheets only, but they're $1.75, so you can't go wrong with that. So there were circle ones and square ones, and then we have these Maru seal ones. These ones are actually not transparent, but it comes with 8 sheets and I just love the neutral colors of it. You can write on these or you can write inside of them and they're really easy to peel, very versatile. And then these were actually tab stickers. I thought they were rounded shape stickers. You can use it either way. And then I have some of these calendar stickers that has memo, to do, check, meeting, etc. And then just some more clear design stickers. So these just came with 2 sheets, but they're perfect for your calendar. Okay, next I also grabbed some decorative stickers, of course. So these are a bit more detailed and are great for adding more flair to your spreads. So I got some icon ones that had cute little characters on it for like gaming, movies, and everything. And it came with a lot of sheets in that one. And then these are like washi tape stickers and they're just so cute. And then I also got some coffee ones. These are just really cute. It came with 2 sheets for that one. And then some wildflowers. These have 4 sheets in them and they're just so cute. And don't worry, I'm going to show you guys how these look in the planner as well. But yeah, these stickers are clear and they're like washi tape material. And then I got these decorative ones with a gold foil. These ones are just more modern and chic. They also had some like really cute Sanrio type stickers, but these were the ones that I was most drawn to. I just like the neutral colors of it. I just like the floral patterns and everything. So I like using these to decorate the corners of my planner pages or just to make certain sections stand out. Okay, lastly, I couldn't resist all of these sticky notes and washi tape. So they have the cutest designs and I just love the neutral colors. It came with a lot in each, but they're not really sticky, so I don't know. And then we have these washi tape. This one has a cute floral pattern on it and it's die cut shaped. So they're like cut around the edges of the flower pattern. So it's really nice. And I think it's just great to add some quick decoration to my planner. And then we also have these circle sticky notes. So these are going to be perfect for adding a little note to my planner. These are semi-transparent as well. So I think that's great. And these ones are actually pretty sticky compared to the other ones. So I really like these ones. So overall, I spent about $40 on all of these stickers. So that's such a great deal. So let me show you guys now how I use it in my planner. So these are the circular notes and you can see it sticks on pretty well, just like a sticker instead of a sticky note, but they are removable. Now let me show you guys how I'm using the smaller circular stickers. So again, these are transparent, but I did use them as bullet points in my weekly planner. And then let me show you guys these circle stickers that aren't as clear. So you can write an appointment there or something. You can write on it. You might want to use like a Sharpie marker so it doesn't smear or just let it dry. Okay, so now let me show you guys these washi tape decorative stickers. So you can see how I have them all over my planner and they are removable. So it looks really nice. And just these decorative ones can just go anywhere in the planner. They're clear, so they blend in with your paper really nicely without covering up too much. Okay, so these are the label stickers, and these are transparent, so it will look pretty nice, but they fit an A5 size planner very perfectly. You can use them to mark important meetings or anything. You can even use it in your weekly spread if you wanted to. So see here, I'm just using a corner marker just to mark an important date. See, so even the clear stickers, you are able to write on them and just highlight important events and dates. Okay, so let me just show you guys how I use these gold foil stickers. So these are like a washi tape material as well. So they're very thin and won't make your pages thicker or anything. I love decorating my planner with them. They're just easy to use. They're removable just like washi tape, and just a little bit of decoration really makes your planner pop. So it looks really nice. So yeah, that's my Daiso haul. So I'm so excited to start using all of these in my planner. And if you're a stationery lover like me, you definitely need to check out Daiso. It's such a fun place to find unique and affordable items. So let me know in the comments which of these stickers or items was your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more stationery hauls, planning tips, and organization ideas. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.